guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Ashrit. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on all my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay guys, welcome to today's video. So for today, I have with you my 10 must-have during this quarantine / lockdown period. I'm basically sharing with you my top 10 products which have really been through this entire period and are here to stay. Some of these are products that can minimize your going outside totally, and some of these are products that I feel can boost your well-being and productiveness a little bit. These little tips and tricks here and there really help me boost up my mood, especially when just working from one environment. Okay, before I begin, a disclaimer, a huge disclaimer: none of these are essentials. It's just a bunch of suggested products that help me, and so I'm sharing them with you too. Okay, first of all, in the beauty and fashion category, now my skin, because of staying indoors, has become even more dry than before. I'm a lot more in like an AC environment. So the two products which I'm using for my skin, which I wanted to share with you guys, is first of all this body butter from The Body Shop. And honestly, I have loved what this does to my skin. I just take a nice relaxing evening bath and then use this, and I love how I wake up with very moisturized skin. And the second thing that I've been using on my face overnight is this night cream from Fab India. Moving on, an eyebrow razor. Oh my god, I luckily had these before the lockdown also, and within the lockdown I think they got sold out so fast. This one is from Amazon, and honestly it's for a decent quality, and personally I'm not very comfortable still going out to get my eyebrows done, especially the thought of being so close to someone, so which is why these razors are here to stay for me. Okay, now coming to the topic of salons, another thing that you might not be able to go out for is to get your nails done. So I am going to recommend you these French nails. Oh my god, they have like literally changed my nail game for me. They come in a pack of 24 and I would so highly recommend them. You have tons of sizes to choose from, and one pack can easily last you a month. Throughout this period, getting dressed up, getting ready can literally, just boost your morale. So in case you're in the mood to get ready, even though you may not have any place to go, I would recommend these. And along with this, I use the standard Miss Claire nail glue. Very effective, doesn't harm your natural nails a lot. Okay, for the fashion and like clothing space, honestly I was thinking, and I will be coming out with like a chilled out, relaxed quarantine lookbook, but for now what I have literally lived in throughout these months have been pajamas. Obviously you can go ahead for a color that makes you happy. I didn't want to focus too much on that this is how it should be styled and this is how it should be. I'm just sharing with you my PJs from Zivame because I have been like so happy with their quality. I have probably worn these every alternate day and still they are doing pretty well. Okay, coming now to the Zen lifestyle space. Now again, none of these are essentials, but these are just little things that in your surroundings can lift up your mood, can lift up your spirits, and honestly they have helped brighten up my day just a little bit. So the first thing is candles, or if you're not like a candle person, then a perfume. Now you must be wondering, a perfume is such a stupid thing to add, but because our routines are getting so monotonous and our schedules are going way off, at the end of the night when I just literally want to fall asleep, I either just light a candle or spray a really nice perfume all over my room, and it just spreads a positive vibe for me. On that note, another thing that I started doing, especially for my like sleep cycle, is trying out meditation apps. I'm very new to the process of meditation, so I won't go too much into there, but the two apps, especially for me like a beginner, I found really helpful is Headspace. Now this is a paid app, but it's definitely worth it. But if you don't want to spend money on a meditation app, then the other app I would recommend is Let's Meditate. It has a couple of sessions free of cost, and I would highly recommend you check it out. Okay, moving on, another thing that again really boosts up my mood and helps to break the monotony in my day are plants and flowers. So obviously I would recommend getting a house plant. It's like the perfect time. I think it will keep you a little bit busy and productive also. But if you're not a real plant person like me, then I've got this fake plant from Amazon. I got it way back and I've now just put it in my room next to my bed, and it just cheers the whole vibe up. Or like I've put these fake flowers on my vanity area, and again it's very pleasing to look at, very soothing, very calming to look at in such a stressful and chaotic time. Okay, next I have something from the food category. Okay, first of all, I am not the person who has been healthy or who aims to be healthy or only eat healthy snacks. I have been eating junk, no doubt. But the one thing that I can recommend to you is popcorn. Now obviously this is not the healthiest option, but what this has done for me is like I got all the sweet flavors from 4700 BC popcorn. And so what this has done is that instead of eating like a whole bar of chocolate at night, which I did used to have, I just have put them in a jar and I just munch on 2-3 and they fulfill those cravings and give me that sugar dose. And for me, I found them to be a better alternative than just a plain bar of chocolate. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is my soulful music playlist. Every day I just have this 1 hour dedicated music session where I literally have these soulful songs and I just sing them out loud. Some of them are new, some of them are old, some are very popular and trending. So I've put together a little playlist in case you guys want to check it out. It will be linked in the description box. And yeah, let me know if you guys want any other tips, tricks on any particular thing, or more playlists, more different types of playlists, and let me know what have been your must-haves during this period, which you're gonna stick to for the next few months at least. Also, any other ideas, suggestions, thoughts, feedback, comments, drop them in the comments box below, and I shall see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.